How to change the color name in Blockman Go. Hi there! In this video, you're going to learn how to change the color of your name in Blockman Go, step by step. If you've ever wanted your name to stand out with cool colors, this is the video for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your profile. First, open Blockman Go on your device. Then, tap on your profile picture or your name in the top left corner to open your profile page. Step 2. Edit your name. Now, tap the pencil icon or the edit button next to your current name. This will allow you to type a new name, and this is where the color magic happens. Step 3. Use a color code. To change your name color, just type this symbol, followed by a color code right before your name. For example, if you want your name to be red, type this. That C is for red. Here's a quick list of some color codes. Step 4. Save your name. After entering your colored name, tap Save or OK to confirm. Now, your name should appear in your chosen color when you play. Tips and warnings. A few quick tips. If this symbol doesn't work from your keyboard, just copy and paste it from the website. Also, some game modes or servers may block certain color or formats. Be sure to use names that follow the game rules. And that's it. This was the full tutorial on how to change your name color in Blockman Go. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and maybe share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.